Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to cancel your Snapchat Plus subscription. Let's get started. Step 1. If you're using an iPhone, go to your Settings app. Tap your name at the top, then tap Subscriptions. For Android users, open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, go to Payments and Subscriptions, then tap Subscriptions. Step 2. Now scroll through your active subscriptions and tap on Snapchat Plus. Step 3. Finally, tap Cancel Subscription and follow the prompts to confirm. You'll still have access until the end of your billing period. Here are a couple of bonus tips to keep in mind. Tip 1. Cancel at least 24 hours before renewal to avoid getting charged again, especially if you're on a free trial. Tip 2. If you don't see the subscription, make sure you're logged into the same account you used to purchase it. Tip 3. You can always resubscribe anytime if you change your mind, no penalty. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Snapchat Plus subscription. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!